Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State of Florida. You see it. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and talk about the 5 things that I don't like about our 2021 Jeep Wrangler Willy'S edition. And as usual, if this is your first time, or not even your first time checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, ding, future uploads, and definitely like and share the videos. So I'm gonna kind of go over the 5 things that I really don't like about the 2021 Jeep Wrangler. But to be honest, I don't have 5 things. I only have 3 things that I don't like about the 2021 Jeep Wrangler. We bought the Jeep. You buy a Jeep for a purpose, you don't buy a Jeep for speed or for comfort. You buy a Jeep for what you would call it, the original sports utility vehicle. It's the original sports utility vehicle. You use it for what you buy a Jeep for, or if not, you can still mall crawl, and if you want to do a little bit of off-roading, you can, which we plan on trying to do some off-roading. Very mild. We're gonna do like the bunny slopes of off-roading, if there's such a bunny slopes of off-roading. That's what we want to do. But the first thing, and people are gonna be like, well, it's a Jeep, what do you expect? The roof up here, it leaks. When it rains a lot and you drive off, all the water rushes and pours down right here. Seals, I just want to make sure that the seals didn't compress, or they got too hard and they're not as pliable, and they're not coming back and sealing like they're supposed to. But I expect a little bit amount of water, but like an excessive amount is not okay. So I'm gonna have them check it out. So other than that, it's just that the top leaks a little bit. So 1, the little leaky roof. 2 is more of a, I don't want to say I don't like it, it's more of an annoyance. More than anything, is the auto start stop button. I hate that stupid auto stop button. Auto start stop, whatever you want to call it. I went into on some vehicles you could turn it off, like program it off. So I went in here in the radio and stuff to look to see if I could program it off, but I can't. So every time you come in, you just gotta push that button when the vehicle cuts off, or if you forget, once you stop for the first time, it'll cut off, and then you'll remember, okay, the start stop button ain't working. I mean, the start stop is still on, so let me go ahead and turn that off. And then the third, oh, that's not third. Don't judge me. I went to Jamaican public school, okay? 3. The third thing is the speaker system. The speaker system in this one sucks. I know I didn't get an upgraded Rubicon and all that other stuff. I know I could get a different sound system. I'm just telling you about this particular Jeep. So don't give me a thumbs down because, well, what do you expect? You have a Jeep, the radio is gonna suck. No, just the radio in this one, because my neighbor, and they also have other ones that come with the Alpine editions, so they have better speakers, and it comes with a subwoofer in the back. So that's on the list of things that we're gonna do to this, is buy the upgraded speaker system with the subwoofer in the back. All right, I had to cut the video. I had to go pick up my son early from school. You see him over there. Say what up to the peeps.
What up?
So yeah, as I was saying before, the 5, well, I said I don't have 5 things that I don't like, and there it is, that auto cut off thing. Forgot to turn it back off. Is 3 things. is the excessive leaky roof, auto stop start, and the speaker system. And of course, he's been practicing driving in the Jeep because he wants to get a Jeep, right?
Maybe.
How do you like driving this?
It drives really well. I like it. It's just I have to get used to it because it's a bigger car than what I'm kind of used to. But it drives well. But you have to like press on the gas a lot more if you want it to go. It's not really that easy to like step on it.
Yeah, it's a Jeep. You're not stepping. You're not peeling out or going anywhere with this one. This one has the i4 turbo. So again, that's just the 3 things that I really don't like about our 2021 Jeep Wrangler Willy'S edition. And of course, as usual, another video brought to you guys come to an end. And I said, as usual, if it's your first or not even your first time checking out the channel or the videos, tap that subscribe button down below, bell icon for future upload, ding! Like, share, and comment. And me and RJ, we out.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like